Sam and I have just had a tour of Withybush Hospital. We've been talking to staff and professionals about some of the challenges and the pressures that they face on a daily basis. You'll all know that we have been campaigning to keep services here at Withybush Hospital for a very, very long time. Of course, we all accept that we have to travel further afield for specialist treatment, but forcing us to travel further afield for life-saving treatment is unacceptable, and that's why it's important that services stay here at Withybush Hospital.
Yeah. It's sobering actually seeing the hard work of the staff, and I commend everybody that works not just here at Withybush Hospital but across our NHS and our social care sector, and that's something that ran through quite clearly and loudly in our meetings and discussions here today, was the need to properly look at how we support our social care system, ensuring that we don't have people just waiting in beds looking for a care package. That then causes ambulance to be delayed, discharging their patients, and the wider knock-on effect that has. So a really insightful meeting. I found it really knowledgeable discussions from the staff members, so a huge thanks to them once again for all that they do in our NHS.